Hello and welcome to ELL, the channel that will educate and motivate you on your fitness journey. Imagine a molecule so powerful that it can help regulate blood pressure, boost your immune system, and even improve your memory. Let's take a minute to appreciate this unsung hero of our body's biochemistry. Nitric oxide, often abbreviated as NO, is a simple molecule with a complex job. It's a gas, produced naturally by the body, and it plays a significant role in a variety of our body's crucial functions. When it comes to our cardiovascular health, nitric oxide is like the maestro conducting the orchestra. It helps regulate blood pressure by signaling the smooth muscles in our blood vessels to relax and expand. This process, known as vasodilation, allows blood to flow more freely, reducing the pressure on the vessel walls. It's like widening a highway to ease traffic congestion. But the wonders of nitric oxide don't stop there. This versatile molecule also has a hand in strengthening our immune system. NO acts as a kind of chemical messenger, helping our white blood cells communicate and coordinate their attacks on invading bacteria and viruses. It's like the general in the battlefield of our bodies, directing the troops to keep us safe from harm. And, if that wasn't enough, nitric oxide also has a role in our cognitive functions. It aids in the transmission of information between nerve cells in the brain, improving memory and learning. It's like the internet of our brains, facilitating rapid and efficient communication. Now, isn't it fascinating that a single molecule can have such a profound impact on our health and well-being? From helping maintain a healthy blood pressure to fortifying our immune defenses, and even enhancing our cognitive abilities, nitric oxide truly is a jack of all trades. With such a wide range of benefits, it's no wonder that nitric oxide is considered a powerhouse molecule. One of the most significant roles of nitric oxide lies in cardiovascular health. Yes, this unassuming molecule has a vital part in keeping our heart and blood vessels in check. But how exactly? Well, imagine a busy highway during rush hour. Vehicles are crammed, movement is slow, and frustration is through the roof. Now think of nitric oxide as the superhero that swoops in, and with a wave of its hand, all lanes expand and traffic flows smoothly. This is essentially what nitric oxide does to our blood vessels. Nitric oxide relaxes the inner muscles of our blood vessels, causing them to widen. This widening is known as vasodilation. With more room, blood can flow more freely, reducing the strain on our heart. It's like upgrading from a narrow country lane to a broad, open highway, and there's more. With increased blood flow comes greater oxygen delivery. Our muscles, starved of oxygen during a workout, can breathe a sigh of relief. Nitric oxide ensures that they get the oxygen they need, reducing the fatigue we feel and allowing us to exercise longer and harder. Nitric oxide also acts as a gatekeeper of sorts. It helps prevent the white blood cells and platelets from sticking to the vessel wall, a process that could otherwise lead to atherosclerosis, the buildup of fats, cholesterol, and other substances in and on your artery walls. So, in essence, nitric oxide is like a diligent traffic officer, managing the flow of blood, ensuring ample oxygen supply, and keeping the walls of our blood vessels clean. It's a little molecule with a big job and it does it rather well. But like any good thing, balance is key. Too much or too little nitric oxide can lead to health problems. It's a delicate dance and our bodies are the choreographers, constantly adjusting to keep things in harmony. This is why maintaining healthy levels of nitric oxide in the body can contribute to overall heart health. So let's raise a glass to nitric oxide, the unsung hero of our cardiovascular system. Beyond heart health, nitric oxide also plays a critical role in our immune system. This dynamic molecule, a little-known hero of our bodies, is constantly at work defending us from foreign invaders. When harmful bacteria or viruses enter the body, nitric oxide acts like a beacon, alerting the immune system to the intruders. It's a bit like a neighborhood watch program, where nitric oxide is the vigilant neighbor who spots the trouble and quickly spreads the word. But that's not all. Nitric oxide is also a warrior that directly combats these invaders. It's equipped with a unique ability to penetrate the cell walls of bacteria, disrupting their metabolism and DNA, ultimately leading to their death. This is why nitric oxide is often referred to as a biological weapon within our bodies. Nitric oxide also plays a protective role against tumors. It stimulates the immune cells known as cytotoxic T cells, which are capable of identifying and killing cancer cells. In essence, nitric oxide acts as a commanding officer, guiding these T cells to the enemy lines and boosting their killing power. Imagine a game of chess where nitric oxide is the strategic player who knows how to make the best use of each piece on the board. It knows when to call upon the rooks and knights, or in this case, the immune cells, to strategically protect the body from harm. However, it's important to note that maintaining a balanced level of nitric oxide is crucial. Just like anything else in life, too much of a good thing can be harmful. High levels of nitric oxide can lead to inflammation and tissue damage. Therefore, it's vital to maintain a balanced diet and lifestyle to ensure an optimal level of nitric oxide in the body. Indeed, nitric oxide is a crucial ally in our body's constant fight against diseases. Its roles in cardiovascular health, immune system function, and even cognitive performance make it an indispensable part of our body's defense mechanism. So the next time you think of your body's heroes, don't forget about nitric oxide. And if that's not impressive enough, nitric oxide also has a hand in enhancing our cognitive functions. You see, our brains are teeming with billions of nerve cells, and these cells need to communicate with each other in order for us to think, learn, and remember. Nitric oxide acts as a kind of messenger, transmitting information from one nerve cell to the next. It's like the postal service of the brain, ensuring that important packages of information get delivered in a timely manner. But nitric oxide's role doesn't stop there. As we age, our cognitive abilities can start to decline, a process that can be both frustrating and frightening. However, nitric oxide has been shown to help reduce this cognitive decline, keeping our minds sharper for longer. In this way, nitric oxide not only keeps our bodies strong, but our minds sharp. Now, you might be wondering how to maintain healthy levels of nitric oxide in the body. Well, there are a few simple ways that can help you do just that. First off, consider incorporating nitrate-rich foods into your diet. Foods such as beets, spinach, and arugula are excellent sources of nitrates, which your body can convert into nitric oxide. Next, don't underestimate the power of regular exercise. Physical activity stimulates nitric oxide production. So whether you're a fan of jogging, cycling, or just taking a brisk walk around the park, keep moving. Lastly, you might want to rethink your oral hygiene routine. While mouthwash can help keep your breath fresh, some types can also kill the beneficial bacteria in your mouth that help produce nitric oxide. So, maybe go easy on the mouthwash or opt for a type that's friendly to your oral microbiome. By taking these steps, you can help ensure your body's nitric oxide levels are at their best. So there you have it, nitric oxide, a molecule that plays an indispensable role in our overall health. This tiny yet mighty molecule is the unsung hero of our bodies, quietly working behind the scenes to keep us in optimal condition. Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane. We've learned that nitric oxide is a crucial player in cardiovascular health, helping to maintain a healthy blood flow and keeping our hearts ticking along. It's a veritable guardian of our immune system, bolstering our defenses against pathogens and infections. And let's not forget its role in enhancing cognitive function, keeping our brains sharp and focused. Maintaining healthy levels of nitric oxide isn't just a good idea, it's essential for our well-being. From our hearts to our minds, nitric oxide is the thread that weaves it all together. Thank you for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share, comment, like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with more informative videos like this one.